In this video, I'm going to discuss about creating intro and exit titles. I hope that you have really watched through the previous videos thoroughly so that your grasp over video editing enhances over a period of time. So let us create our intro title. So we go to file, we go to new, and here we select a title. We click the title, just name the title as intro, click OK. So here it is. Just select the entire region and just put the text, put the color as black or whatever you want. Type something, whatever the title of the film you might think. So let us change the font style into something more relevant. I hope this is good. Increase the font size a bit, add some effect. Increasing the tracking increases the space between the two text. Just close it and just drag it somewhere around here. So this is our title. So we have to put this title in front. So select this entire region, shift it a bit, select it here, but it's still not positioned app. So we'll go to this and now it positioned well. So this is our intro. So let us put some effect here also. Go in motion, select scale, and towards the end, just add a zoom out effect. Play. The effect is too intense. So go to the last keyframe, decrease it a bit. Now just check it. This is much subtle. So select the entire part, drag it here. Now just check how does it look. So we have to drag the music file. This is our main parent music file. So drag it from the initial part and now just let's check. So this is our cross dissolve transition effect. What we can do is we can delete this, press delete and add a transition effect here. So go to effects, create, select video transition. Select cross dissolve and just see how it looks. Or select dip to white and see how it looks. It's all about experimenting video editing. So you can increase this part to see how it's looking. Increase it a bit more. So for the exit title also, we'll follow the same step. We'll go to file, new, we'll go to title, we'll go write the title as exit. And similarly, select a background and just use some color, different color if you want something more subtle, and just write a film. First select the black color, whichever color appeals to you. A film by XYZ. Let's select this one for instance. Select the center alignment. Say you can write Rahul Kashyap, something like this. You can choose a different font for this also if you wish. Or you can choose something more interesting and cinematic font. Optima is a nice font. Let me type Optima. Okay, this is it. Use some shadow effect. Use depth. Just close it and go to project and similarly drag it towards the end. So this is our cross dissolve file. Click here and delete this cross dissolve. Again go to effects, select cross dissolve again, and just see how it looks. Again you can add motion to it, in the sense zoom in zoom out effect. Select here, add scale, and again just give it a subtle zoom in effect. Let's extend the music till here, parent music. And let's add a dip to black effect at the end, or a cross dissolve effect at the end. Now let us see the entire video once. So this was our entire video. In the next video, we're going to talk about exporting the final video and getting it and uploading it on your YouTube or Facebook